Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video we are looking how to get free pizza by using cheesy reward on your Dominos app. For that, just open the Dominos app and here you need to go to the cheesy rewards option on the top right corner, just left side of the profile option. So just tap on the cheesy rewards and we can see whole instructions right here. So we can see how it works. Earn 100 points on every order of 350 or more. So if you order any 350 plus rupees one order, you get 100 points. By ordering six of them, you can get 600 points. By redeeming 600 points, you can get a regular pizza for free. So this is how we are gaining a free pizza on your Domino's app. So by doing that, you can enroll, tap on the enroll now, and our we have enrolled successfully. So by tapping order now, we can start to order pizzas right there. So this is how we are getting free pizza by using cheesy reward on your Domino's app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.